Data handling. Spiral learning. Knowing about. Data, pictograph. Bar graph. Circle charts. Information or facts collected for a purpose is called data. Data is organized into tables and graphically into pictographs and bar graphs for easier understanding. Pictograph. A pictograph uses pictures or symbols to represent data. When the numbers are large, we use a scale. Favorite sports of class 4 students. Cricket. 6 smileys. Football. 4 smileys. Hockey. 2 smileys. Badminton. 3 smileys. Each smiley is equal to 10 students. Which sport is most liked? Cricket. How many students like badminton? 30 students. How many students like football? 40 students. Bar graph. Favorite fruit of class 6 students. Mango. Apple. Orange. Watermelon. One box is equal to 10 students. Which fruits are liked equally? Mangoes and watermelon. How many students like apples? 40 students. Difference between number of students who like mango and orange. 20 students. Group work. Make a group of 4 or 5 friends. Cut out pictures of various pictographs or bar graphs from newspapers and magazines. Paste on your notebooks. More about bar graphs. Let us learn some more facts about bar graphs. The table given below shows the time taken by 5 students to complete a race. Let us represent this information in form of a bar graph. A title. Name. Time taken in min. Ravinder. 8 minutes. Martin. 7 minutes. Vijay. 9 minutes. Anirudh. 10 minutes. Akash. 8 minutes. Title: time taken by 5 students to complete a race. Time in minutes. Ravinder. Martin. Vijay. Anirudh. Akash. On horizontal scale, 1 rectangle shows 1 student. On vertical scale, 1 square shows 1 minute. From the above, we learn that a bar graph must have: A is title, B is scale, C is labels. With this information, it is easier to read the bar graph. Example 1. Let us read the information given in this bar graph. Number of ice creams sold. Ice creams sold by a shop in a week. 1 square is equal to 10 ice creams. A. What information does this bar graph give? B. On which days are most ice creams sold? C. On which days are equal number of ice creams sold? D. How many ice creams were sold on Monday and Tuesday together? E. How many ice creams were sold in the whole week? Solution. A. This bar graph shows number of ice creams sold on days of a week. B. Saturday and Sunday. C. Monday and Thursday, Saturday and Sunday. D. On Monday 20, on Tuesday 10. Total is equal to 20 plus 10 equals 30 ice creams. E. Total ice creams sold in the whole week are 20 plus 10 plus 30 plus 20 plus 40 plus 60 plus 60 is equal to 240. Circle charts. You may come across some types of graphs which look like circles. These are known as circle charts. These are also used to show and compare data. Let us study this circle chart. If the whole circle represents 100 children, then half of the circle represents half of 100, which is 50 children. Quarter of the circle represents quarter of 100, which is 25 children. Now, we can answer the following questions easily. Favorite ice cream flavors of 100 children. A. How many children like chocolate ice cream? 50 children. B. How many children like strawberry and mango ice cream each? 25 children each. C. Which is the most liked flavored ice cream? Chocolate ice cream. Sometimes, the total number may not be given in a circle chart. We can compare the information on the circle chart by simply judging the size of the parts. Lab activity. Objective: to learn how to collect data, organize it and represent it. Materials required: square paper sheets, pencils, rulers. Procedure: 1. Ask each student to tell their favorite color and write them on the board. 2. Using this data, construct a table using tally marks and write the corresponding numbers. 3. Distribute the squared papers to each student and ask them to construct a bar graph to represent the information in the table. 4. Ask them to label the graph, choose a scale and color the bars differently. Number of students: red, blue, yellow, green. Label is scale, and so on.